Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm here with an ice cream maker. This is Home Happy Home ours. So this is made in China, and as you can see there are the four this colorful ice cream stick kind of thing is there, and it costed me $1. So let's not waste time and open it. But how just pass me that scissor. Yeah, so here it is. So these are the ice cream that cubes kind of form in it, the proper ice cream shape, and all this is the stick with which it will stuck, and then you'll take out and eat it. So the colorful sticks, you can make different ice creams, like different flavors, fruits and all, and here you go. And whatever the extra will be there, it will come out with this straw kind of thingy, you can see. So that's very nice. If you like this video, friends, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you.